breath support or no support, or how much support? Those are the questions. And if you know me well enough, what am I going to say? It depends upon what you're singing and the sound that you want. Let's discuss, and we will do 5 easy and fun exercises that I made up from an Adele song, and then I'm going to give you 1 bonus tip. I get a big kick out of making these fun exercises. Welcome back to another edition of Victoria's Vocal Tips. 34 years of teaching voice, 46 years of studying voice, all different styles. My students have ranged from ultra beginners all the way through advanced touring professionals, voice teachers, choral directors, and competition winners. I always give you serious vocal technique made simple and fun. Breath support gives you a firmer, more intense sound, and that doesn't mean it has to be loud. It helps you regulate and budget your airflow, how the air comes up and through the vocal folds, which then allows them to vibrate more efficiently. That's as technical as we're going to get in this video because I want to get to our 5 exercises right away. So if you need more help, see my playlist on breath support, the basics. I want you to keep an open mind with these creative exercises. I don't care if you're an opera singer or a rock singer, these fun exercises will apply to everyone. So, as I said, how much breath support you use depends upon the sound that you want. So for exercise 1, we're going to do the extreme. We are going to use no support and we're going to let that air come gushing out quickly and we're going to let the body collapse like this. I'm exhaling on a shh and I'm collapsing all the way to empty. Let's do it. Shh. Again. Shh. Did you feel and hear that big gush of air? Now, if I spoke like that, this is what we'd get. No. Let's try it. No. There's barely any sound because we're overblowing the vocal folds with air. You know, I always say it's important to know what the wrong feeling is so that you don't do it. But some of you sing this way, and then you wonder why you always run out of air, and then what do? You take in more air, and then you're gushing out more air, then you get dizzy, then you get a sore throat and worse. Remember, it doesn't take a lot of air to sing. More importantly, it's how you regulate your air when you sing. See my video on that. Exercise 2. We're still going to experiment with no support. Sometimes in contemporary commercial styles, we might have 1 or 2 words, a few words, and we don't want it to sound like a big dramatic vocal line. We want it to sound like we're just talking to people like, hey, how are you doing? I'm not going to support for that kind of a sound. Let's take the Adele song, Hello, and I'm going to put my own spin on it. All right, let's say I just broke up with my boyfriend and I've had a terrible night and I've woken up at 5 o'clock in the morning hungover and I can't help it, I have to call him. Hello, it's me. It's not supposed to sound beautiful, right? I'm not going to sing the whole song like that, maybe just 1 line. Hello, it's me. I can't go on 'cause I'm thinking about you. So let's try this on a shh first. So remember, the first exercise, we let everything quickly collapse and blow out like this. Okay, now, it's not going to be that extreme, but we're not going to think about support. This is going to be like, maybe you're in church or, you're at school and you have to tell somebody to be quiet, but you don't want other people to hear, so you're just going to say, shh. That doesn't take support. Let's do it. Shh. Again, shh. You can try singing the line with me if you want. Hello, it's me. You see, if I gave more support, it would totally change the meaning of the song, but that's what we're going to get to next. It's important to note that what we just did is for contemporary commercial styles, not for opera. Opera singers need to have good carrying power because it's not amplified. Exercise 3. Now we're going to do moderate support. So I want you to have 1 hand on your chest and the other hand here on the midsection. And we're going to say, shh, at a moderate volume, like we're telling people, hey, listen, it's time to be quiet now. Here we go. Shh. Again, shh. So what do you feel? Don't you feel more engagement in the body, more firmness in the midsection rather than So if exercise 2 was just singing in a weak voice like I woke up in the middle of the night, exercise 3 is like I'm talking to someone directly. I'm speaking to you. I'm going to apply to the Adele song and I'm going to make up my own lyrics. Hello, it's me. Are we going to meet at 3 o'clock today? Did you see how that totally changed the meaning? The first one was hello, and the second one, hello. Exercise 4. Now we're going to use firmer support for a more dramatic sound, okay? I want you to say shh, and I'm going to do it like the way my dog, when he makes me crazy, I'll tell him shh. Hands on the body again. Let's do it like you're really annoyed. Shh. Again. Shh. You feel how that's different from just shh? That's for your more dramatic sound. What if I applied that to the song? Listen to how it changes the meaning. Hello, it's me. Like a fool, I waited 3 hours for you. These exercises aren't supposed to be about sounding beautiful. They're about showing you different levels of breath support. Did you hear how the firm breath support changed my tone quality and the whole story changed? Did you hear my chosen word stress? Like a fool. 3 hours. See my playlist on how to tell a story in your songs. So let's try the exercise. We're just going to sing hello, it's me, but we're angry. Okay, here we go. Hello, it's me. Okay, again, firm support, please. Hello, it's me. Do you see how in singing everything works together, from the way you take your breath to the way you support the escape of air to your chosen vowel colors to the way you pronounce your words to which words you stress? Everything tells a story. Become a master of your voice through the right vocal exercises. And if you still haven't gotten my audio exercise training program, Victoria's vocal exercise program, I don't know what you're waiting for. I give you a short and a long workout, plus hundreds of options depending upon what your particular vocal needs are. You can train with different vocal colors, textures. I have 2 sections on vowels. We work on breath support. It's for beginner through advanced level singers, all different styles, and it's super affordable. And the best part is I do regular group classes with members and I can help you. So see the link below and sign up right away. Exercise 5. It's time to compare and contrast. We're going to sing our 4 different hello, it's me. Starting with the very first one, the most extreme. No support, letting everything blow out, letting the body collapse. Hello, it's me. Then, still no support. I just woke up in the morning, but I'm not blowing everything out and I'm not collapsing. Hello, it's me. Then number 3, like I'm having a regular conversation with someone. We're going to meet for coffee. Hello, it's me. Number 4, firm support. Now I'm angry. I've been waiting for 4 hours and got stood up. Hello, it's me. You ready? Go. Hello, it's me. Then, hello, it's me. Then, hello, it's me. Then, hello, it's me. Now, a lot of my exercises are traditional scales and arpeggios that are pretty challenging, but I thought I would have some fun with you today. Bonus tip. Breath support does not solve every vocal problem. Some people think all you have to do is breath support. If you're tight, it's breath support. No, if you're tight, then you need to work on what's making you tight. It could be too much breath support. Maybe you have tongue tension, jaw tension, neck tension. See my playlist on throat tension. It is now time for Victoria's wisdom. Become a master of your breath support. Where to give more, where to use less in singing. Remember, we don't sing everything the same way, just like you don't speak everything the same way. See my playlist on breath support, the basics. And if you need help with your inhalation, see my playlist on breathing for singing, the basics. Thanks for being here. I'll see you in the next video.